Is there anything more challenging than a new baby who just will not settle down for sleep, leaving everyone in the house tired and stressed? Many new parents are constantly searching for that magic trick to calm their little one. Yes, white noise can indeed be a very effective tool to help a newborn baby sleep. It provides a soothing and consistent auditory environment that can promote longer and more peaceful rest for infants. The main reason white noise works so well is that it cleverly mimics the constant, muffled sounds a baby heard for 9 months while safe inside the womb. Imagine the whoosh of blood flow and the gentle rumble of internal organs. This familiar acoustic backdrop is incredibly comforting to them. Furthermore, white noise helps to mask sudden household noises, like a slamming door or a barking dog, preventing babies from being easily startled awake. This consistent sound helps to soothe their nervous system, reducing instances of the Moro reflex, which is that sudden jolt babies often make as if falling. To use white noise effectively and safely, aim for a sound that is consistent and low frequency, like a static fan, rainfall, or a specialized white noise machine. Place the sound source at least 7 feet away from the baby's crib to ensure the volume is not too loud. The volume should be similar to a quiet shower or a humming refrigerator, which is typically around 50 to 60 decibels. Use it for naps and nighttime sleep, turning it off once your baby is sound asleep or for specific wake windows to avoid over-reliance, ensuring they also experience quiet environments. Understanding the concept of the 4th trimester, which refers to the first 3 months of a baby's life outside the womb, helps explain why white noise is so powerful. During this period, babies are still adjusting to the outside world, and an environment that feels familiar to the womb can significantly aid their transition. The continuous sound spectrum of white noise covers all audible frequencies evenly, making it particularly effective at blocking out other disruptive sounds without being distracting itself. This consistent, predictable sound cue becomes a powerful signal to babies that it is time for rest. By providing this gentle, consistent sound, you are not only helping your newborn drift off to sleep more easily but also nurturing their ability to create a secure, predictable sleep routine. This simple yet profound practice contributes to better sleep for the whole family and supports your baby's healthy development.